mega faggot.
Stop! Brian, behave.
Last week I got mugged by a goddamn ballerina. She tried to make me pass away. Then the bitch spun away.
Stop trying to give me damn flowers. You know I'm allergic. You want me to see Jesus?
Wow. What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
I'm a rebel. You really fucked up on this one. I'm Mr. Meesaloni. Hey, it rhymes with baloney. Ooh!